What's up, guys? Happy Valentine's Day. I'm gonna do this really quick. Yes. And yes. So, I was gonna save this for Pokemon Day, but couldn't wait. Just couldn't wait. I'm gonna go eat lunch and finish my day out, and was like, you know what? I might as well. Okay. I hate how these have Litten coins. It's kind of annoying. Like, why not pick something that is more in the set, like a tag team coin? That would be awesome. You know, like Pikachu and Zekrom coin. It might be a little hard to get on the coin, but they can do it. They can do it. They can just put their faces, pretty much, really, I guess. Or even just give us a Zekrom coin, or a Celebi coin, which we might have a Celebi coin already, I don't know. Alright. Let's get these open. Alright, look at these cards. This is freaking awesome looking. I love it. They're promo cards. Going in my promo section. Except for Pikachu, he's going in my Pikachu section. Actually, they're probably going both in my Pikachu section. Alright, they're both, I don't know, one's Snorlax, one's, okay, Zekrom and Pikachu. Okay, let's get this open and done with. I hope I get another tag team card, because there's the card code 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna guess red. Oh, blue. I was wrong. You know, because it's Valentine's Day. Rapidash, and I have a red shirt on. Spell tag. No, spell tag. Electro Charger. Ooh, yeah, Hitmonchan. Dratini. Olin Grimer. Ponyta. Cosmog. Voltorb. The reverse is a Fairy Charm UB. Nice. And a Lawn Muck. Hey, to go with that Lawn Grimer. Cool, cool. Alright, next. Ugh. Oops. I almost looked at the cards. There's the code card. Almost looked at the cards. Let's just go red again. Oh man, it's green. Ooh, Omnimite. What's that? Water Memory. Ooh, Golduck. Cute little Charmander. Helioptile. Awesome Mankey. Vulpix. Panchar. Ooh, reverses a cool looking Weedle. And the rare is a Mandibuzz. Man, not that very good of a pull, but hey guys, hope you enjoyed it anyways. So, yeah, I'm getting off here, peace.